So we're giving away over $1,000 of value at our next home selling workshop.
I am so excited. So whether you're thinking about selling your home in the next 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months, even a year, this is the perfect way to start planning that process.
That's great. Who's going to be there?
So we've got a skilled general contractor, which I'm really, really excited. When I say this, I'm excited. I mean it, guys. Because you know what? I've got a lot of sellers that say, Denora, I've got this kitchen reno or a bathroom that I've been thinking about, and I have no idea how much I'm going to be spending or what the budget is. Well, the general contractor is going to talk to them about that.
That's great. And they can bring pictures and videos to take a look at whatever the project is around the house. And the contractor, I think, is going to be there giving rough estimates maybe on the spot. I'm excited about the home inspector.
Yeah?
Yeah. So I'm excited because I see houses with buyers all the time. When it comes to the home inspection, there are so many things that can potentially scare buyer away from a house. And so to have a home inspector there to give us a heads up on what some of those things are, it's going to be awesome.
It's priceless. My other favorite expert who's going to be attending, it's the stager, because I think it's very important setting up your home ready for the buyer to walk in.
And then when everybody comes to this workshop and they're completely overwhelmed with all of the things they need to do to their house, we are going to be giving away a handyman for a day.
You gotta sign up.
Come to your house and do some of the projects that maybe you need to get caught up on. So
absolutely.
Very excited.
Yes.
We want you guys to join us there.
Sign up. And just also, one last part, we're going to be serving a light breakfast to keep you energized and take notes, get you ready for that process.
Love it.
Looking forward to it.